next question is, Raisina dialogue recently heard in the news has adopted which of the following theme in 2018? That is the question. And obviously when such question comes, all the options will be themes of various other summits also. So each option will be a theme of something, and one among them will be the correct answer. So here the options are: A, stronger partnership for a brighter future; B, shared value but common destiny; managing disruptive transition ideas, institutions and idioms; and D, women first, prosperity for all. So see here also all the options are themes of some different summits, and one among them is the correct answer for Raisina dialogue. So let's have a glance on what is Raisina dialogue, why it is conducted, and all such facts. Okay, so Raisina dialogue actually it is a multilateral summit that is being held in New Delhi, and Raisina Hills is about the dwelling place of our Rashtrapati, and all those high official buildings are there, Raisina Hills. So since it is held there, that is why it is called Raisina dialogue. And this started in 2016. This is the third version of this in 2018. And if the terms like geopolitics, multilateral, that kind of things comes in a statement or in a fact, that means it is related to diplomatic relations, diplomacy, and India's relation and interaction with many other countries, all over the global presence too. So that is what India's flagship conference on geopolitics and geoeconomics. So there the term comes. It defines itself like geopolitics and geoeconomics. So both political as well as economic relations with different countries of the world. So again, the next statement: India's premier foreign policy conference. The conference is hosted by Observer Research Foundation. It's not a government initiative. Actually, Observer Research Foundation is a think tank, which is totally different, a non-profit organization, and this in collaboration with MEA, Ministry of External Affairs. So wherever we have relations, we have foreign talks, foreign interactions, we can easily guess that MEA will be one of the link of this. Not all foreign relations will be of MEA, but almost all. There will be a presence of this Ministry of External Affairs. So this is Observer Research Foundation plus MEA, and it is structured as a multi-stakeholder cross-sectional discussion involving a global policy, variety of global policy makers, heads of states, cabinet ministers, local government officials. So almost all the officials of India, as well as the invitees will be coming from different countries, their officials, their local government officials. So to have a good administration, good governance. So that is what this dialogue is for. And see, it also has major private sector executives also. So if a statement comes, only government officials, no, actually private sector executives as well as media and the academia. So it's a very big holistic conference that is being held in Raisina Hills. And if a statement comes, if it is in lines of Shangri-La dialogue, so yes, that is correct. Shangri-La dialogue is held in Singapore, some of similar kind of thing in Singapore. So this is about Raisina dialogue. Now let's see the themes of this. So the option A was stronger partnership for a brighter future. Actually, that was the theme of the 9th BRICS summit held in Xiamen, China. Shared value, common destiny. That is theme of 25th anniversary of ASEAN-India dialogue partnership. So I have told in previous video that India and ASEAN are celebrating their silver jubilee in relations. So the whole, we have learned about the theme of connectivity summit, India-ASEAN connectivity summit. That is different. Actually, a connectivity summit comes under this India-ASEAN partnership dialogues. That has the theme shared value, common destiny. C is managing disruptive transition, ideas, institutions and idioms. That is the theme for Raisina dialogue. And women first, priority for all is theme of World Entrepreneurship Summit that was held in Hyderabad, where Ivanka Trump was the chief guest and she organized it with Indian government. So that is the theme. All of this are having important significance. There are much more also, and for an extent there is no shortcut for learning the themes, but if we know some of the ideas of what all summits are being conducted, what where the talks have happened, what are the takeaways from that, and we can have a linking with the themes of various summits. So please have a look at this, you can note it down. And so the solution becomes C. Managing disruptive transition ideas, institutions and idioms.